Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can automatically update applications on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Play Store on your Android phone. After that, you can click on this profile button right here. Then there will be several options for you and you have to tap on settings. It's right here. And after that, we can click on network preferences. And just click on auto update apps, and we can choose over any network, so we don't have to wait for Wi-Fi to automatically update our application. And just tap on it and tap on OK right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can automatically update application on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.